Bird, walking over to the other terminal. Everyone's here. Waiting for an 8-hour flight. We landed around sunset. After a quick set over to pick up our cars, we drove 40 minutes to the house that we're staying in. Now this house is pretty nice. It's got 2 floors, a ton of space, and it's right by the water. I think everyone was pretty happy with that. After some rest, time to get our day in Kauai started. First stop is Waimea Canyon. We took the windy road to take us up the mountain. At about halfway, we found a pretty good spot to take pictures of the entire landscape. That's also when we learned that the further up you go, you're going to encounter more clouds and fog. I guess that's just part of a tropical island's weather. Later, we'll find the clouds came with rain and wind. After half a day, that's it for Waimea Canyon. We're gonna make our way down, get ready, because next we have a luau to go to. Before the luau, you can take a tour around their farm to see their crops and livestock. They try to be sustainable and consume everything they raise on the farm. So as we're going through, we saw horses, pigs, chicken. You can even feed them, so that was kind of fun. I guess that's one way to make sure you know where your food comes from. Finally, the main event of the evening, the luau itself. It comes with plenty of food, unlimited drinks, and a great show. Let's just say by the end of the night, everyone was having a good time.